Open gmail.com into your browser and click Create an Account button. Here, fill your form. Enter your first name, last name, and suitable username and password. After filling this form, click Next button. Now enter your phone number. Gmail.com will send OTP to your phone number. Make sure you enter right number. Now check your phone and enter OTP sent by gmail.com. Click Verify button. Here you have to enter some personal information like recovery email, birthday and gender. After entering that, click Next button. You can skip this feature if you don't want any other Google services. Now scroll down and click I agree button. So finally, your account has been created. You can use this account to send and receive emails. I hope this video will help you to create Gmail account. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for more videos.